This is how the map will be visible with Divi module. Okay, now let us make a fresh one. Go to the Google Maps. Go to the address that you want to display in the module. You can even point at the map by long press. Click on Share button and click on Embed a map. Click on Copy HTML. Now go to Builder. Code. Module is best for this purpose. Paste the code in the code input. You can even customize the width by using 100%. Apply it. Now you can see how it looks like in the multiple devices. I hope this video is useful to you, my friends.